Alright, hello everyone. Welcome again to my channel. I'm DJ Aki, host of JIN Radio, and today we're doing something very special. So I actually am going to do a special unboxing. So we're just going to do it so you guys can see. This is something I ordered last week, and this is something specifically for the podcast. And let's see what it is. どうも皆さん、またJIN Radioのホスト DJ Aki です。これからちょっと特別なビデオで、これアンボックシングというビデオで、こういうものを先週から頼んで今届きましたけど、ちょっとどのものを紹介したいと思って、ぜひ見てください。Let's take a look. Here we go. I got my scissors. Boom. There you go. And let's start our unboxing. And try not to cut myself or do anything here. There we go. Got my good scissors. Yeah, there we go. And let's see here. Oop. And over here. There we go. And let's show this one. There we go. Oh. So we're at it open here for the most part. Let's. Whoa. Okay, we're back. Had a bit of a mishap there. Things are falling because I'm taking stuff out. So I've reset the camera here, and now we can check what's inside the box. Okay, here we go. Okay, come on. Well, let's start with the small one. Put this here, and so at first look it doesn't look like much, but then if we open up the tape here, oh, here we go. Can you see that? These are JIN Radio stickers with Mimi the cat. Now, it's not so good as I like. Maybe it should have been more of a white background, but I mean, it's okay for a first one. These are samples, and these are just giveaways for folks. So we got stickers for JIN Radio. Now, let's see the other thing. The big one. Come on. There you go. There we go. Let's just take these, put this here. Alright, so let's open this up. And what do you think? These are so hard. Boom, boom, boom. In its own little box too. Let's see, here we go. Open. I think you can probably guess what this is, but we have a mug cup, and here we go. Let's go up a little closer here. Yes, it is a JIN Radio Mimi the cat logo mug cup. Looks kind of nice. I'm actually like it. I'm impressed. So these is just samples to check and see how they look. They actually look pretty good. Hopefully we're going to be using this as merchandise if people are interested in having their own little mug cup to drink from and have a nice musical day every day with their coffee or juice or whatever. This is hopefully maybe you'll be able to use this. We actually have 3 samples at the moment. And so, if anyone's interested, we might be giving one of these away at some point. But right now, these are some of the samples that we have. It comes in this nice little box, which I like to see. And yeah, this is mainly it. So, we officially have some merchandise for JIN Radio. Our JIN Radio mug cup with Mimi the cat and some stickers. The stickers are going to be mostly for samples and giveaways, but we're going to be focusing on the mug cup for now, and maybe eventually something else coming up. But yes, at the end of the day, just tell me what you think. Do you like the idea? Would you be interested in something like this in your kitchen, in your office place where you have your coffee? Let me know. Okay? And that is it. This has been the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And please let me know what you think in the comments. All right? Take it easy and see you next time. Johnny.